Hi guys, Kevin Lee Jacobs here. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite classical Italian dishes. It's called Rigatoni, Salsiccia e Panna. And what it is rigatoni with Italian sausage and cream. The dish also contains one of my favorite herbs, heaven-scented rosemary. To start, bring a big pot of water to a boil, add some salt, and then the rigatoni. And we want the rigatoni to be al dente, that is, to have a little bite to it. We don't want squishy rigatoni. So set your timer for exactly 14 minutes. Then heat some butter and some extra virgin olive oil. It's about a tablespoon of each in a skillet. I'm using my electric skillet, but you could use any large skillet. And again, this is over medium heat. Then grab 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage. When the butter melts, crumble the Italian sausage into the skillet. Then wash your hands. Break up the sausage with a wooden spatula. Saute the sausage until it's browned and thoroughly done. This will only take about 7 minutes. And by the way, you'll notice I didn't add any garlic or salt or pepper to the sausage. And that's because sweet Italian sausage already has garlic and salt and pepper and usually a number of herbs. That's why it's so delicious. Meanwhile, mince up some flat-leaf parsley. I always mince mine in the food processor. Then take a couple of sprigs of really fresh rosemary and strip the leaves from the stem. This is very easy to do. And by the way, there are no exact measurements for this recipe. If you want to use more parsley or more rosemary, have at it. Then take a sharp knife and mince the rosemary needles, like so. And by the way, I recently read a report that said the scent of rosemary actually improves, what does it improve? Oh yes, memory. So if you want to have a good memory, be sure to eat and smell a lot of rosemary. Now stir in 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and all of their juices into the sausage. Then add the rosemary to the sausage mixture. Stir that in. Then the panna. Heavy cream. This is not a diet dish. The cream is going to thicken the sauce. Finally, add, a tablespoon or so of the beautiful green minced parsley. You'll find the sauce comes together in only 10 minutes. You can tell the cream has thickened enough when it leaves a trail when you push the cream with your wooden spatula. This recipe makes 4 servings. So spoon some of the rigatoni onto a plate. Grab some of your stunning salsiccia sauce. And then give the dinner a flurry of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And for a little additional color, garnish it with a few bits of minced parsley. It looks beautiful, it smells beautiful, so let's give it a taste test. First, a rigatoni. Cooked for only 14 minutes, the rigatoni is perfectly al dente. To me, there's nothing worse than overcooked pasta. And now, some of the sauce. The Italian sausage, the cream, the tomato, everything stands out, and of course, the fragrant rosemary. So, I think you'll love this dish, so I hope you'll run your grocery store, get the ingredients you need, and make this fabulous classical Italian dinner right away. And I also hope you'll post a comment below. Let me know some other recipes you'd like me to try. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this recipe a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye.